Hallo, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today I have a fun project share for you, especially if you like our furry friends. So let's get started. I have 5 die cut sheets for you today from FindIt, and all of them have the cutest kitties and puppies on there. So really quick, we're gonna look through them. So we have here the Fur Friends by Amy Design, and each of these sheets have 3 embellishments and then the different layers to make them 3D. Those 2 cute little kitties here in the window. Look at this gorgeous kitten. And then down here amongst the blue flowers, how sweet. We got the puppy with all the cute flowers. I don't know, this looks like a Grand Dame here. And then we have this cute little pug. And then again, all the different layers that you can layer with foam pads, and it even has the numbers so you know how to layer it. There is one more kitty here. Look at this. So super cute. God, I love those. And here the black and white. Then we have the cat's world. And again, pushing out, there is this one couple here in the basket. Sleeping, of course. And then those cute little ones. Look at them. And the last one, we have again the doggies, and this is the dog's life. So Cat's World, Dog's Life, and Fur Friends. And I will link it below. And look how cute they are. All right, so those are the sheets. And now let me show you what I have created with them. I have created this folio, the card folio, for one of my colleagues. She is retiring, and I thought I'm gonna give this beautiful card pack to her, and then she can use these cards for her thank you notes, because I'm sure that our colleagues will give her gifts. So I used a 12 by 12 paper. There are lots of videos, and I created 2 pockets by just flipping it over and once, and then adding another pocket here with a little bit of a fold so it fits more cards. But yeah, so you can find videos on how to make these folios. But here are my cards. So let's start off with the doggy side. So what I have done here, I used the card blanks from Michael's. I think they come like in a 16 pack. Those are smaller cards. Let me see what their size is. So they are 3.5 by 4 3/4, and they come with matching envelopes. So yeah, head over to Michael's. Sometimes they have these in different colors. So I had this in my stash, and all I have done here, these are really quick. I added 1 piece of background paper, and because they have these rounded corners, I also rounded my background paper, and then I added one of the background doilies that I introduced last week. So this is a pack of doilies that come in different varieties. So we have in there, we got circles, and they're all printed on. We got rectangles, looks like frames, just gorgeous. Each one is different. And then also hearts. So this is what I have used, and they're just paper printed on, so they're not real doilies with laser cut, but just printed on. But look how gorgeous. So this is what I used for the entire pack here. And here is one of these gorgeous ones. And then my cute little doggy here, all layered up with foam pads, and then added some stickers, and that's it. So really, really simple. And I didn't put any greetings because I was thinking she can use them as thank you cards, but she can also use them as, you know, happy birthday, quick note, say hello. Yeah, love this little cute one. And look at that, even has a scarf there. How cute is that? Gorgeous artwork. Here we go with this white, I don't know the dogs, but I'm sure you know what they are. This looks, like I said, like a Grand Dame to me. This is same thing, background, one of the doilies, and here is the layered embellishment. And number 3, So there goes one sheet, is my pug. How cute. And again, blue background. Just love these, they look so nice. And here is this guy again with us amongst all these pretty flowers. So that is the side with all the doggies, and then the other side is with cats. So my colleague that will receive this, it's got both cats and dogs. She's known how much she loves the animals. And look at this one here, sitting in the window. And again, they're all the same. So this is a quick share here. Rounded the corners and then just added the embellishment. They make cute note cards. Look at this one here, peeking around maybe the chimney or around the wall of the house. Cute brick wall, cute little flowers there, all layered up. And of course stickles always kind of give them the bling that I love so much. And then here is my last one. Look at this pretty kitty, blue eyes. Yeah, very quick, but I think she will like it. So here are my 6 cards in this folio. I hope you liked it. I know it was a short video. This is what I was working on this week, and I hope my colleague will like it. She is known to have pets, both dogs and kitties. So if you like this video, I would really appreciate you give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and maybe share this video with your crafty friends and family. It would help me and support my channel. So thank you very much. For the next video or 2, I'm working on Christmas in July, so I have already done some cards and I have a lot to share with you, so stay tuned for that. But thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please stay or get well, happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.